Good morning. We are back in the storage unit. We have another What's Old video for you guys. Before we get picking, Kathy and I were just kind of talking about, Kathy does want to have 2,000 items in this unit, right? And this week I'm trying to get some shelving done so that we can kind of get rid of these shelves. They're not very efficient. And so we were just kind of doing some rough math, right? You were thinking if you had...
Yes. So someone on our live the other day was like mentioning, it seems like we've been adding a lot more boxes, which we have. And
yeah.
I think that's not because I'm like, I don't know. I think it's because like I'm doing shoes now, which take up a lot more space.
Yeah.
This is a typical, I can only fit about 6 per box. This is like a typical size adult shoes.
Right.
Whereas before, when we're doing clothes and stuff, I can fit.
You can fit 30 t-shirts.
20 to 30 items. Yeah, t-shirts even more probably. So it seems like you're growing kind of quickly, but yeah. So
you take one t-shirt out, you replace that with a pair of shoes.
Yeah.
You're tripling, quadrupling the space usage. So
we have added like 20 boxes in the last couple weeks just because of the shoes, and I just bought 20 more boxes. So just trying to figure out where we're going to put those.
So we did some rough math. If we were going to add, another 600 units of shoes.
Right. So I'm at almost 1,500 active listings right now, which is pretty much everything you see here.
Yeah.
I have maybe a handful of things at the house to still bag up, but... So yeah, we're trying to figure out where would the other 500 fit.
And mostly because I'm going to be building some shelves this week, what we need, right?
So 500 items, in my head I was just like dividing by 6, because that's a typical adult shoe box if that's mainly what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Which means I needed 83 more boxes. So we're like, where are we going to fit 83 more boxes? Which seems like we can.
We should be able to, yeah. We're going to have 10 boxes up above there. That should fill in there. Another 2 boxes up here. This section, when we take these shelves out, I'm going to extend this unit down further. We could fit 4 wide. So it's at 4 times 6. Was that 24? Yeah. Math. And then we're going to add a row down the middle here, but we're not going to go all the way up. We're going to just have it the same height as this unit here. So 4 boxes tall, 1 box wide. We were kind of seeing if 2 wide was even needed. And if we really needed to, I think we could, if we did them back to back like that. It does make going up and down the aisles uncomfortable.
So starting with the 1.
We'll start with 1. If we need to double it up, we can. And I mean, that's basically another... I think
it was 48.
Another 48.
Essentially, that was 84 boxes, which was almost exactly what we needed. Just that. And then, we could still go up.
Could still go up another 2 rows and then above that.
Here, so. And
then double up the columns or the aisle.
So I think 2,000, which honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to, I'm still listing 15 a day, selling 10 or so a day on average. So, I'm not growing that much per week. So if I get to 2,000 by the end of the year, that will comfortably fit in this unit.
I think so. And then we even could optimize, like we have a lot of dead space here with these shoe racks. Yeah. We were talking about maybe even... We could go up higher with these long-tailed boots items and just do like a 1 shelf kind of up high.
Kind of like it was in the office.
Yeah. We might need a little step ladder, but the times that we'd be pulling down from up there, it would be worth it, right?
I liked seeing them all up there. It's just easier to find them.
Yeah.
Versus, I don't think the shoe shelves are very efficient at all.
Right. No,
I really liked them. It's just, they do their job. But.
Yeah, they do their job. They don't really, they don't really do it. They don't do it for you. But so we could essentially put more shelves here to fill that out. So I think we have a lot of expansion possible here and go even more than 2,000 items in the long run. Yeah. Now that
I was worried at first when we got the unit that I was like, are we even going to fit what we have? But we can fit double what we already had when we started.
I think so, yeah. Because we were like, 1,200?
Yeah. And
1,150.
Almost 15 now, so yeah.
So, and then at that point, if we needed to do more, we could get another unit. It'd be really cool if this one became available. Just have it straight through. But then, we do get the question a lot. This is a 10 by 20, but it's actually like a 9 by 19. So I measured it one day. I was like, this is not 10 by 20. So we have a lot of potential to expand, and that's, yeah, we're excited about that. I figured we'd share that with you before we started pulling, but we do have what, 20 something?
20 sales. That's the last 2 days. I did not, well, I came yesterday to drop off some stuff here, but like I didn't pull any sales. So, and one item is here already because I didn't want to bag it up at the house just to bring it here. And then anyway, so first item that sold are these Kuru sneakers. This pair sold for $47 plus shipping on eBay. I bought them for $6.99. I did want to show so this was a pair that no matter what I tried, the numbers were not coming off this type of sole. So I just colored it over with some Sharpie and showed a picture of the bottom. So that's what I do.
We still sell shoes like that? Yeah.
So it's the bottom. Nobody really cares how it looks.
I mean, there's many resellers that don't even take the numbers off, which is perfectly fine.
Yeah.
You know?
I feel weird about it because I just don't want someone to be like, most people don't know that this is a Goodwill price anyways, but I just feel weird about it, so I just don't. But I don't think there's anything wrong with it.
Out of sight, out of mind, right?
Yeah.
So
I sold these.
This was a nice
I actually
sale.
just listed these yesterday and just brought them here yesterday. Carhartt overalls. So the price they sold for was $83.96 plus ship. I bought them for $22.99, which seems like paying up. But I knew that they were going to sell for $80 to $100, and they did really fast, within 12 hours.
So what makes these so valuable?
Yeah, so I don't know if the newer Carhartt overalls can get this much, but these are USA made, Union made.
Okay.
They're just vintage.
Is that more like a paper tag kind of feel?
This is a paper tag, yeah, but mainly just looking for that made in the USA, and then anything with the Union, especially the Carhartt stuff.
So vintage, USA made, Union made.
Yeah.
Okay.
Work overalls with the double knee.
They're in decent shape for how old they are.
Yeah, this. Honestly, the ones that have more marks on them.
Yeah.
They can sell for even more. So.
Yeah.
I would not skip them, but just because of something like that. So yeah, that was a great sale.
Very nice sale.
Okay. Oh, another hanging item. Yeah, where are we gonna put these hanging items?
I don't know. Might have to fold them up or something.
Yeah, maybe just actually keep these ones at the house. It's not that many.
Yeah.
So this Keen bag was part of Ben's Miss. So Ben's cost of goods that day was $1.98. It's just a little messenger bag. I tried to wash it, but it still has some stains on it. So I listed it pretty low. I think you could get a good amount if this was in better shape. But I sold mine for $15 plus shipping. It has some oil stains. I'm gonna get all that out of the Velcro before I ship it off. But
yeah, we have a little Velcro tool, which
it's not really even a Velcro. I think it's a hair tool or. It's definitely not for Velcro. It just works really well on the Velcro. I don't know.
Do we have a link for that? Because it works really good for Velcro.
I want to.
I'll show a little picture here what we're talking about, and if we do have a link, check the description. Yeah. It's such a cheap little tool.
I saw it on Kitizen a long time ago. Somebody showed it on the Kitizen Facebook page, and I was like, wow, that's amazing. Where's EW?
EW?
Oh, that must be one. He's on the
yeah, probably.
Okay. Where are you? Super random. Johnson's baby cologne.
Are you selling my cologne?
So this is, I always look in this section at the thrift just to look for new items.
Yeah.
I don't really care what they are. I just scan the barcode. This Johnson's baby cologne was selling for $15 to $20, and then I realized that when I got home, mine was bigger than the ones that were selling for $15 to $20.
Oh, nice.
So this is a 6.8 ounce. I think the other ones were only 1 to 2 ounces. So.
Okay.
Mine sold for $25.16 plus shipping within just a couple days of being listed. I only paid $1.99. So yeah.
Sweet.
Always just check in any sort of products that don't exist anymore. Usually. Somebody still wants them.
Do be careful with perfumes and colognes because you can't really, that doesn't have any alcohol or any flammable in it.
So that one doesn't.
But if it is flammable, it has to go ground. You can't
and I think
do priority
on
all
eBay
that.
now about you can't sell used perfumes or something unless maybe they're vintage. I don't know.
Yeah.
So just be careful, but yeah. All right. These have been forever. So very glad to see them go. A pair of Jeetify. These were selling really well for a while, but then they stopped. So I don't know if I'd pick these up again. Probably not. Definitely not at $10.99. They sold for $31 with discount shipping, so about doubling my money there.
Cool.
Yeah. XP.
You know what we could do with that rack? we could have it stay over here, and whenever we're in here, we could just pull it out. Yeah, we don't really get any traffic down this hallway when we're here. I don't think we've had a single time. And we're only here for 30 minutes a day, so maybe we'll do that.
So these Adidas wrestling shoes, bought for $10.99, sold for $29.36 plus ship. Those always sell quickly.
Sweet.
All right, box of V. Pair of my son's old T collection swim trunks. I think I bought these for like 18 off Kitizen. They wore them. Both kids have worn them, and I sold them for 10 plus shipping.
Nice.
On eBay. Just making back probably $8 on those. Got a bundle sale on Kitizen.
Fun.
Yeah. Again, this is just my kids' outgrown clothes, but I like getting money back on this stuff. So
it's better than garage sale. Like if we were selling at a garage sale.
Alright, so we got this Tiny Whales shirt. I think it says Kicked It in the Sun. And then Childhoods, it just says All American. Total for both sold for $36 with free shipping. The shipping cost me $4.85, so making back after Kitizen fees probably like $28 or so on 2 items. I did pay about $39 for both, but they got to wear them, so
cool.
Yeah. All right, AD, another one of my kids' items. I haven't listed new kid stuff in a while, so this is stuff that's been listed and finally selling. These my son never wore, so I think I paid $13 for them. Sold them for $18 free ship, so probably actually losing $1 or so, but that happens.
Yeah.
All right, BW. Another one of my kids' items. It's so random, like all of a sudden they just started selling.
Springtime? I don't know.
Yesterday I was cross-posting to Mercari, which, I try to stay active and like cross-post at least a few a day, but I got behind. So I was doing a bunch yesterday, and then all of a sudden I got like 3 sales, so. On older items, not like the new stuff I was listing.
With that activity, you think? Yeah.
So this Peak Kids hoodie I bought off Kitizen for $18. They wore it, and I sold it on Mercari for $16 plus shipping. So making back probably $14 or so.
We do use List Perfectly to cross list. If you guys are interested and don't use it yet, use code GINGER and you get...
That's the nice thing, yeah. So like these items that I was cross-posting yesterday, I listed them a month or 2 ago, but with List Perfectly, I just... click a button, and then it, pulls up all the images, puts it right in, and all I have to do is kind of like put the price in. Push it live.
Yeah.
So
30% off. Check it down in the description. 30% off your first month.
Yeah. It's well worth a try.
Yeah.
I would say. I did also sell these Under Armour swim trunks on Mercari for $20 plus ship. That was an offer someone sent me. I did pay $8.92 for these retail arbitrage, so probably about an $8 profit though. And I had several pairs of those. Oh, this was a decent little sale on Mercari as well. I'm glad to get these out because I like getting the big shoes out. These hunter boots.
Nice.
I actually found these, and then there's a green pair back there. Found them the same day for $20 each at a Goodwill. This pair sold for $59 plus shipping on Mercari. So really
we have had those for a while too.
Not like super while, but I feel like we've had them.
Maybe was it the green ones? No, you got them on the same day. You just said
green ones. Yeah, I've sold a pair of green ones before. That took a while to sell.
Yeah, okay. That's I'm getting it mixed up.
These definitely don't sell for as much as they used to, but $59, I'm pretty happy with that. I was hoping to double my money. I think I made closer to $25 profit. So
sweet.
Pretty good. All right, to DG. I don't know this brand, but I just grabbed this because it was a jacket and it was camo. So Moco Tono. I don't know. I did buy it for $9.99 and I accepted a $22 offer on Mercari, so probably only a $9 profit. But I just like camo and I like jackets. Well, I like camo for selling. I don't think I've ever worn camo.
You would look good in camo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So good.
Want to go hunting?
Like camouflage.
Looks. Looks so good I can't even see you.
Make me disappear.
The dad joke's coming out.
All right, I sold these Saucony sneakers. These sat for a while, but they're women's 5.5. I think that's the reason. Just a smaller size. Usually takes a while to sell. So they were in great shape, so I did buy them. Sometimes I pass due to size, depending on how much the cost of goods is. These were $6.99 into $22 plus ship. So.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, to EB. It's gonna be up here. Another pair of Kuru. 2 Kurus in one day.
2 Kurus.
Yeah, these ones sold on Posh. Posh VA offer got accepted of $54 with discount shipping, and these are the ones I paid for $12. One of our recent videos where I was out thrifting. Okay, CP. Little natives. Bought for $2.99, sold for $20 with discount shipping on Posh.
Very nice.
Okay, CM. This was a good sale. This is a new to me brand, and I'm still kind of confused about the brand. So if anyone else has heard of this, please tell me in the comments. I don't know if this will pick it up on the camera. So it says Elf. Can you see that?
Yeah, I think so.
So I just was like Googling Elf. I could tell these were a really nice leather.
You just got a bunch of pictures of Will Ferrell, huh?
No. Haha, more dad jokes. Anyway, so these were a really nice leather. I was Googling like Elf shoes, things like that, which, you know, that brings up a ton of random things like actual Elf shoes. So finally
with the curly toes.
Out, yeah, these are, I don't know, because like it only says Elf on the shoes. But like on this website, it's like Bali Elf, B-A-L-I Elf.
Oh.
So I don't know if the full brand is Bali Elf or just Elf. They seem to be like a handmade type of a shoe. So
yeah.
Anyways, I found these. They sold really fast for $63 with discount shipping on Posh. I paid $8.99 for them, and then I found another pair like a week later, which I haven't listed yet because I need to just wipe them down. But yeah, I don't know. So let me know if you know anything about this brand. But it's a good one to look out for because those sold fast. They retail around $200, I think. At least the boot. The other ones I have are boots too. So, and they feel really nice. Like you would tell if you touched them that they were just a nice shoe.
It is an interesting choice for a name of shoe.
Elf. Yeah.
Right? Like you'd think that would have been thought about, right? Elf shoes. Because when you hear elf shoes, you think of elf shoes. So.
These have been listed forever. These are, I don't know if it's just pronounced Aku or what. It's just AKOO, which is a king of oneself.
Okay.
Which these were one of the rappers.
Yeah.
Lines of jeans. That's what someone told us when we found them. This was probably over a year ago when we were doing like that collab with Becky's mentorship group. And just like everyone was kind of doing a video to see who could sell as many items of their haul as fast as they could. But I bought this for that day.
So we lost.
We definitely lost. Yeah, that was 5 resellers. They won that one. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
But anyways, these sat forever. So I paid $8.99 and I accepted a $20 offer finally. So I'm only making like $16. So $6 profit or so. Yeah. I don't know. When I bought those, comps were like 30 to 40, but I guess they went down since then, or nobody's like really looking for them. I don't know. Sold the Judy Blue shorts. I just said these had been listed and not selling when we sold the jeans the other day. And this person didn't say they're a viewer, but I'm like, are you a viewer? Because like literally I mentioned it and then they sold. So
you manifested
if you are, Jamie, thank you. They didn't leave a message, but these sold for $23 plus shipping on eBay, and I bought them for $1.61 during Bins Miss. So yeah.
Nice.
I still like picking up Judy Blue. Obviously, I'm not looking at a ton of clothes and pants and things right now.
Yeah.
I'm not only doing shoes, but yeah, I'm trying. If I'm gonna pick up,
you go to the shoes first, right? Always.
Yeah, it depends on how much time I have. But if I'm gonna pick up something else, it has to be like a super easy listing or what am I trying to say? It has to sell for like $50 or something.
Yeah.
You know? Which I did pick up 2 pairs of jeans the other day with a bunch of shoes that should sell for around $50 a pair.
Yeah.
Okay. Last sale is these bobs. Bought for $7.99, sold for $23 plus ship on eBay.
Very nice. Alrighty, guys, that is all that sold over the last couple days. We do have those 2 bags we're gonna take some time to put away now that we've pulled all this out. But we're gonna call it here. We're gonna get that stuff put away, go back home. Kathy's gonna try to get a bunch of listings up. I am going to edit a video and try to work on these shelves. That's kind of one of the next big goal after the floor is done is these shelves. We gotta get these boxes more organized here since the flooring took 3 weeks and kept me away from this stuff. So that's what we're gonna be up to, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all of the amazing support. We do appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys next time.